Hello viewers, this is the part 13 of Forex course. In this video, I will show you how to trade with double top and order block area. As you can see, this is the resistance area and market is rejected here one time. That means to say it is a fresh zone and market will reject again from this zone. So I will open a sell trade for short like 30 to 40 pips. Let's see what happened. Here we go. Market move as we expected. We hit 36 pips here. I marked the fresh order blocked area. You can see the order block area is not tested. Once market touch this order block zone, it will go to the upside because we know the market trend is to upside. If this zone will break to the downside, then we say this is invalid setup. Let's see what happens. Here we go. This is the way you can trade with order block area and take a sniper entry. I take 500 pips in just one trade. I made $400 in just one trade. I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit like and subscribe button. And if you want to learn Forex trading, I give the link in the description. You can go and watch full videos step by step. Thank you.